Hello and welcome back, honey buns. It's been a long and controversial weekend full of intrigue, suspense, mystery, and drama, and this bee wouldn't like it any other way. We're popping the bubblies for Ranbir Kapoor and Lata Mangeshkar as they celebrate their birthdays today, and also bringing you the latest scoop on the contentious Bollywood drug case, and we're joining the cause to bring the focus back on the SSR death case. We're kicking this update off with a celebration as our favorite Kapoor, Ranbir Kapoor, turned a year dreamier and more desirable if that was possible. The man of our wildest dreams rang in his birthday today with his near and dear one, sending over some love, kisses and only the best wishes. While we're sure Alia outdid everyone with a private celebration for her man, Bebo, Ridhima and Kapoor clan raised a toast to the birthday boy with some of the cutest social media posts. The celebrations continued on the other side of town with legendary singer Lata Mangeshkar celebrating her 91st birthday today. Several Bollywood celebrities including Kangana Ranaut, filmmaker Madhur Bhandarkar, Shankar Mahadevan and many others took to social media to extend some thoughtful birthday wishes to the veteran singer. But making the day extra special was the PM who called the legend to wish her on her birthday, spoke to respected Lata Didi and conveyed birthday greetings to her, praying for her long and healthy life, Modi said in a tweet. We knew it was trouble when the NCB walked in on the SSR case, but we never guessed just how twisted things would turn out to be. If there is one thing we can all agree on, is this mysterious drug trial is becoming increasingly hard to sniff out. After the agency grilled Deepika Padukone, Rakulpreet Singh, Sara Ali Khan, Shraddha Kapoor and others on their roll call, it seems that the stars' phones were taken, statements recorded, superiors called in and the top secret meeting held to discuss the next course of action. Buzz is that the agency has even been given the green signal to call more celebs for questioning. Meanwhile, B-Town has been buzzing about Kshitij Prasad allegedly being forced and specifically asked to name Karan Johar in his statement to the Narcotics Control Bureau. Prasad's lawyer Satish Manshinde alleged torture and ill-treatment by the agency besides the coercion, claims that the NCB have denied. Meanwhile, Prasad even went on to claim in a statement that he is being framed in this drug case. While the NCB continues to do whatever it is they are doing, fans of Sushant Singh Rajput have turned their focus back on the CBI and are now demanding some answers. Citing that the agency has been probing the case for over a month, fans and even Sushant's family have been demanding an official statement on the agency's findings in this case. After turning B-Town into an excavation site, they ought to have found something, right? Meanwhile, citizens went ahead and started trending #AimsBeFair with SSR report in a bid to encourage the medical agency to release their findings in this death case. Question is, are we all really ready to accept the findings in these reports? On that note, it's bye for now, but we'll be back tomorrow with some more details. Bye-bye.